started with the military. I was in the United States Navy for 12 years. I worked for a company that is a customer of NSL for about 12 years. That's what I got acquainted with NSL. And when I left that company, I acquired about NSL. And I've gone from being oxygen, nitrogen, specifically at my last company, to learning how to run hydrogen, carbon, sulfur. I also ran the spectral.
So my background is I am fresh out of college, just graduated with a bachelor's degree in biochemistry. I was just trained on the hydrogen. I was carbon sulfur, and I learned both these instruments. And then I think the next process for my role is learning the oxygen nitrogen. I would like to learn over on the other side, the X-ray and the spark. I also would like to stay within, go to the different labs, gain more knowledge about what's going on over there. As you can see, this is only one area, and there's a bunch of other stuff going on in the building. I'd like to gain more knowledge throughout there and see different perspectives.
My description of what goes on at NSL is, for most people, when you walk in the building, it's overwhelming. Like you say, on the outside of the building, it's just a place where people work. You don't know what's going on. Once you enter the building, of course, it's a big wow factor because you see all the computers, all the instrumentation. It's a beautiful thing to watch. That's all I could do. From the beginning of receiving a sample with our submission department or our sales department, scheduling and doing the business part of it, to our submission people, to our prep area, to those samples getting out to the lab area and people running and reporting their results on chemistry documentation that's getting sent out to the customer, and how that all comes together. It's absolutely amazing. If you go to our wet chem area, you'll see where they actually take samples, solid samples, and dissolve them into liquids, which is, for me, is pretty cool to see how they'll take different acid solutions and dissolve different compounds into solutions so that our ICP mass spec area can run those samples. For a person who might be interested in working at a company like NSL, I think that they would have to be passionate about learning, being part of a team, doing their best, knowing that at the end of the day, when you finish your 8 hours or more, that you've probably helped a lot more people than you know.
You're part of a team, and you are trying your best not to let down your team, if that makes sense. So I'm trying my best to support everyone else. And I would say it's a great team building exercise, and being fresh out of college, it's a great experience. When I come into work, I look at talking to Johnny, Kyle, all my other co-workers. That's what I love about NSL, is just being a part of the team, feeling that I'm a part of the team, and just working together to get the samples done.
NSL has had a great deal of impact in my life, personally and professionally. I've got to meet a lot of professional people. I've worked with a great deal of professional people who are experts at their field. Personally, I've made a great deal of work friends here, from the leadership to my peers. We all get along and we work very well together, and we all reach out for that one goal, and that's to support our customers.